Welcome back, students of class 10. So now that we have completed the section about coordination in plants, today we are going to just start the basics of coordination in animals. In animals, coordination between different body organs and with the environment happens through two systems. One is the endocrine system and second is the system of nerves, the nervous system. So in this section we are going to first learn about the endocrine system. The endocrine system composes of certain glands that are present in the body which produce the chemical signals known as hormones. These hormones carry out coordination between the different parts of the body. Now there are some features of the hormones that we should learn about. First of all hormones are chemical signals. They are chemicals secreted from the different organs of our body. These organs are called endocrine glands. Hormones by chemical nature are either proteins or steroids. What are steroids? Steroids are a type of fats. Okay, they are formed from breakdown of fat. Steroids are formed. They can also act as chemical signals similar to proteins. Second point, hormones, after they are produced in the endocrine gland, they are released into the bloodstream by which these chemical signals are carried. Means unlike the nervous system, there is no separate system, there are no separate cells that carry the hormones to different parts of your body. They are released into the your blood circulation by which they go from one part of the body to another. Third point, by means of this blood circulation, the hormones can travel to different parts of the body in which they can act or they can cause certain parts of your body to go through certain changes when the hormone reaches them. जब वो हार्मोन बॉडी के कुछ दूसरे ऑर्गन में पहुंचते हैं तो वो दूसरा ऑर्गन में कुछ रिस्पॉन्स जनरेट करता है, वो दूसरा ऑर्गन में कुछ चेंजेस लाते हैं. These organs that are situated away from the endocrine glands are called target organs or target regions. So hormones are released by these endocrine glands, which are released into the blood. They are carried by blood and then they are carried to the different target organs. Look at this next video to understand how a hormone works and what are the basics of hormone biology. Our body goes through a lot of changes during our lifetime. We grow from a baby to an adult person, and in time we reproduce. All these changes are controlled by the endocrine system. Not only our growth and reproductive biology, but simple day-to-day physiological activities like sleep, the control of our beating heart. All of these are controlled by the millions of cells are controlled by the hormones or the endocrine glands, which compose of three components: the endocrine glands, the hormones, and the trillions of receptors. We have three major endocrine glands in our brain and then another 7 in our body. All these endocrine glands are surrounded by millions of blood vessels which carry the hormones that are chemical signals produced in these endocrine glands. And then there are the receptors which are present in the target cells. In the blood vessel, when the hormones pass through these receptors, they can bind to these protein receptors and trigger changes in these target cells. Binding of a hormone to its receptor can cause definitely changes in the different processes that are going in the cell. It can cause the cell's shape to change and it can cause the different functions in the cells to change. So by contact with millions of cells, the hormones can cause change very fast. So now you have some basic understanding of what the overall endocrine system is and what it does to help to coordinate the different parts of our body, right? So now these two systems, the endocrine system and the nervous system, are somewhat directly or indirectly interlinked. The nervous system captures the stimulus, and that directly or indirectly affects our endocrine system, which causes the endocrine glands to release the hormones. So मतलब आप समझ लीजिए, जो नर्वस सिस्टम के जो सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स है, सेंसरी ऑर्गन नर्वस सिस्टम के अंदर आते हैं, तो वो जो एनवायरमेंटल स्टिमुलस है उसको पकड़ता है और फिर उसका डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट गिरता है जाके आपके एंडोक्रिन सिस्टम में, जो कि ये हॉर्मोन्स या केमिकल्स रिलीज करते हैं. द एडवांटेज ऑफ हॉर्मोन्स ओवर द नर्वस सिस्टम इज दैट हॉर्मोन्स कैन ब्रिंग अबाउट चेंजेस to much more organs. Means when the change has to happen to all the different organs or to more than one organ, then it is easier to send a chemical messenger than a nervous signal. आप पूछ ही सकते हैं कि क्यों डायरेक्ट नर्व ये काम नहीं करता है, राइट? सो नर्वस सिग्नल हैज टू बी कैरिड बाय स्पेसिफिक नर्व्स. नाउ ऑल द ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडीज डू नॉट हैव नर्व्स. So by mixing the chemical with the blood, the signal is transported to all parts of the body in a coordinated manner. It is slower than the nervous system. The hormonal response is slower, but it is long term. It stays for long. Okay, so read this starting section carefully, and from the next day onwards we are going to learn about the different endocrine glands. The endocrine glands that you saw just right now in the video, we are going to learn in more detail about them. Okay, thank you.